I am Dr. M.K. Sharma, full-time director and CEO of Bajaj Steel Industries Limited. We have added a new division to our product HVAC division in collaboration with the Mitsubishi Corporation Japan to provide the cool comfort in the offices, hotels, other residential buildings. These HVACs are very cost effective, smooth and cool. We have supplied these HVACs to various customers like Ginger Hotel, Olam Ghana, CIMS Hospital Nagpur, Skechers showrooms, like many other residential complexes and other applications. Use these HVACs in our 45,000 square feet office at Higna MIDC, and our staff is very comfortable now. Provides smooth cooling and energy. We will always recommend to use HVAC arrangement supplied by Bajaj Steel Industries Limited for your all type of requirements. Thank you.